What are we missing? Something to protect these. We're gonna have to get that done. So I ordered some stock Harley ones and we're gonna put those on today. Blue on too, come on. So those directions say they want us to start with the saddlebag support. So we're gonna start removing those right now. 13 mil, and then once I get done with that, I'm gonna use a T45 on this right here. Got our little wrench here, 15 mil. They want us to retain those little bolts here at the end. So we're gonna retain everything. We're gonna start here, right here with the mount. That's what they want. Okay, there's one in here too that we have to get out. It's gonna take a T40 and a 13 millimeter. So 13 millimeter there, T40 there, which should be good. 14 millimeter on the outside, 15 millimeter on the inside, and make sure you're retaining everything. You can see on the old one, they want us to pop this out, okay? And the rubber mount as well, so that's coming out. We're gonna pop it into this guy right here, then we're gonna be good to go. So popping this out, popping that out, putting it in there. We're gonna take this piece, we're gonna slide it into this piece like so. There's a hole here and one there. Okay, pop this through. Pop the screw on the other side, and then we're good. That's it. We're gonna they want it loose right now. We're gonna tighten it down a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this back end in right here, and we're gonna put that support through, and then we're gonna lock that part in first, and then we're gonna lock it down here. Okay, using the existing bolt and nut, we're gonna pop this lower one in. They gave us one for the top, so we're gonna do it that way. We're gonna do it the same, man. Okay, last thing they said to do is tighten them all down once you get them into place. This is the candy part right here. I'm gonna put these on right now. They come with these. Okay, they already got the Loctite already in there. So it's gonna take a T40. Roll from there, man. I'm excited to get these on. Time to pop the bags on. Man, I really dig it so far. That looks great on there. What I'm gonna do is I'll pop the other side on, put the seat on there, and then I'll let you see what you think.